Welcome everyone! In this tutorial, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to create a BitcoinCash wallet using Paytaca. Let's get started! I'll guide you through the process of creating your own BitcoinCash wallet using Paytaca. Download and install. Open the app and click on Create New Wallet. Secure a copy of your seed phrase. To begin, you can download the Paytaca app from Google Play, the App Store, or the Chrome Web Store. Simply search for Paytaca on the store that matches your device. After finding the Paytaca app in the store that matches your device, simply tap the Download or Install button. Now that the Paytaca app is downloaded and installed on your device, let's open it up. If you're new to Paytaca, on the app's home screen, simply look for the option Create New Wallet and tap on it. If you already possess a Paytaca mnemonic seed phrase, on the home screen, locate and tap Restore from Seed Phrase. This option allows you to revive your existing Paytaca wallet and pick up where you left off. This step is essential for your wallet security. On the screen, you'll find a sequence of words. Get a piece of paper, take a screenshot, or open a text editor on your device. Write down these words in the exact order shown by the numbers on the screen. These words form your mnemonic seed phrase, granting access to your wallet. Once you've saved your mnemonic seed phrase, just tap Continue. Important reminder: your seed phrase is your digital fortress. Remember these rules. Safeguard your seed phrase and keep it confidential. Losing it means losing access to your wallet. Ready to ensure your digital security? Let's proceed. Let's put your memory to the test. Here, your seed phrase will appear in a randomized order. Your mission? Click on the words in the correct sequence to verify your backup's accuracy. This is your last check to ensure your seed phrase is secure. Congratulations! You've successfully created your very own BitcoinCash wallet using Paytaca. Well done! Your wallet is right at your fingertips, all set for exploration. Let's embark on this thrilling journey together.